Hey there! Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're going to walk you through upgrading your old two-handle shower system to a modern single-handle system. This upgrade not only gives your bathroom a sleek look but also improves attire efficiency and control. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more home improvement videos, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. First things first, safety. Before starting, turn off the water supply to your bathroom. This is critical to avoid flooding or leaks. You may need to shut off the water to the whole house if you don't have localized shut-off valves. Safety and tools required: adjustable wrench, pipe cutter or reciprocating saw, screwdriver set, plumber's tape, plumber's putty, a single-handle shower valve kit, safety gloves and goggles. Step 1. Remove the old faucet system. Start by removing the old faucet handles and trim. Unscrew the handles and pull them off. Then, remove the escutcheon plates. Next, you'll need to access the plumbing behind the wall. If you have an access panel behind the shower, great. If not, you may need to cut an opening in the drywall. Use a drywall saw to create a small, controlled opening. Once exposed, use your wrench to disconnect the hot and cold water supply lines from the existing two-handle valve. You may need a pipe cutter or reciprocating saw to remove the old valve completely. Step 2. Installing the new single-handle valve. 1. Position the new valve where the old system was removed. Make sure it's level. 2. If using copper pipes, solder new fittings to connect the hot and cold water lines to the new valve. If using PX or CPVC, use compatible fittings and secure with crimp rings or push-fit connectors. 3. Attach the showerhead supply pipe to the top outlet of the valve. 4. Once all connections are secure, check the manufacturer's instructions for proper positioning and securing. Step 3. Test for leaks. Turn the water supply back on and check all connections for leaks. If you spot any drips, tighten connections or apply plumber's tape as needed. Run the water through the system, switching between hot and cold to ensure proper function. Step 4. Patching the wall and finishing touches. If you had to cut drywall or tile, now's the time to patch it up. For drywall, use a patch kit or new drywall piece, then sand and paint. For tile, install a matching tile section and reapply grout. Next, install the trim plate over the new valve. Secure it in place and attach the handle per the manufacturer's instructions. Finally, install the showerhead and test the system again. And there you have it. Your shower is now upgraded from an old two-handle system to a sleek, modern single-handle setup. This project is a bit of a challenge, but with the right tools and patience, it's definitely doable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement content. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.